As the chief technical evangelist for Druva, what do you guys do? What is Druva and why is it such a cool company?
So we are the leading SaaS only provider of data protection. Okay, which means that you know what Microsoft 365 is, right? You know what Salesforce is. You don't install anything in your data center to use those services. That is the same way that we work, right? So all of our competitors, they have a box or they have a piece of software that you need to run on a server, and you have that backup server that is now a focal point of the attacks of ransomware folks. So we basically remove all of that. We put it, our tech happens to run in AWS, and we automatically scale up and down, our services in there. What that does is that lowers our costs, which we can then pass those costs on to you. And then it's a matter of all of your data being stored air gapped, right? So that's a term we use in the data protection world, right? So it's stored in a completely separate environment. It's a different computing world. It's AWS instead of your data center. It's our account instead of your account. It's also encrypted using AES 256. The data is separated from the metadata. There's many layers of security between those that would do damage to your data center or your cloud environment and where we store your backup data. And so we do all of that as just as a service that literally all you need is a username and password to use it, right? All of the technology automatically scales up and down to meet your needs.